Hello everyone, it's me your girl Queen Beauty. Today I will be unboxing my new hair, my new 360 human hair. This is my first time of buying from this vendor. I don't know how it is and I hope everything went well. This is their card. I just received it now and they even had a gift to it. As you can see, this is the gift and three gifts. They still put net to put on your head before installing it. This is the carton of the hair, new fashion, Mosika hair. This is my first time of buying from them, guys. My first time. Let me open the hair. The hair is 30 inches. It's 30 inches. It came like this. Wow. Wow, very gorgeous. The wig is gorgeous, well prepared. I will be doing the review after I installed it. It's not even 360, it's normal wig. Get all the shape. He said